Stop handling materials the old way and discover the Vacuworx Advantage. The Vacuworx Advantage starts with a commitment to safety. Worker safety drives everything we do. Our lifting systems are engineered to help crews be more productive while keeping them out of harm's way. Vacuworx meets or exceeds global safety and engineering standards and is ISO Standard 9001-2015 certified for quality management systems. From our lifters and pads right down to the filters and tough seal, we pay attention to every detail because safety is the standard we live by. The advantage is experience. Since 1999, Vacuworx has set the standard for vacuum lifting in the field. We pioneered self-contained vacuum lifting technology for heavy-duty material handling in the oil and gas industry. Now we are introducing new markets to the benefits of vacuum lifting with compact host machines. No other company in the world has the experience to deliver the same level of innovation, service, and technical support. The advantage is productivity. Vacuworx lifting systems increase productivity and benefit your bottom line. Vacuum lifting allows faster load and unload cycles with less downtime than conventional methods, since there are no slings and chains to hook and unhook, while the need for fewer ground personnel reduces the risk of accidents and lowers payroll and insurance costs. Complete projects ahead of schedule and under budget, and leave your competitors wondering how you did it. Find out how much faster, safer, and smarter your crew can be using Vacuworx vacuum lifting systems, and put the Vacuworx Advantage to work for you. Celebrating 20 years of building an industry. Vacuworx.